Hey YouTubers, it's Fix It with Biscuit here, and I'm working on this Ford F150 I just got. And the problem that I got here is I'm working on the brakes. It's just squealing to beat heck, and I'm like, what the heck? It's got brand new brakes all the way around it, and I didn't do the front brakes. I did the back brakes and all that, and that's what I was told when I got the truck, that it was the back brakes. I changed back brakes, still squealing, and I'm like, you know, that kind of sounds more like the front to me. And so I figured I'd pull the tire off. So I pulled the tire off. I looked at the brakes. The brakes are pretty new. They're, you know, over 50% easily. So, you know, they're not bad. But what I did notice is when I took the caliper off completely, you take, well, there's a bracket here that goes on like this, and this bolts on, and it's part of the caliper. But you don't have to take this bracket off to change the brake shoes and stuff like that. And I took the caliper off, and I couldn't spin the rotor. I'm like, what the heck? You know, maybe the bearings are locked up or whatever. I took this bracket off, and I could spin the rotor really easy. So in inspecting this bracket, I was like, well, what's the deal with this? And I found that the rotor, if I can get this to sit here for you guys without falling onto the freaking ground. Alright, anyways, so what I've inspected is I don't know if you guys can see that, but anyways, right here, I'm not sure if you can see that. I can't see it on the camera. But right here, the rotor has been cutting in to the caliper bracket. And I'm like, what the heck? Did somebody put a different caliper bracket on here? What? I mean, it could have happened, I guess. I don't know. But thinking about it, using my head, I tried spinning the rotor, and it spun. And it spun freely in one spot, and then it tightened in the next. So that tells me that this rotor is warped. Just to let you see that this is what a warped rotor can do. It's taking probably 1/8 of an inch of material cut into this. Somebody that has been driving this truck, like I said when I changed the tires, whoever had this truck before or whatever is not very bright. This is dangerous stuff. It's not to be played with. You do not you know, drive your rig until the wheels fall off. It's just unsafe for other drivers on the road. So I just wanted to show you guys what a warped rotor will do to your brake system. It's not, you know, and the rotor's part of a brake, but I just wanted to show you guys that, and I'm going to be replacing this. I have to go get one from the part store. I thought I was just changing the brakes, but the brakes aren't even bad. I need to change the rotor and this. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned.